Okay guys, first of all, welcome to my channel, and this is what we'll be creating today, this awesome looking kitchen knife. And this is mainly because Digital Lion GH asked that they wanted to know how it's done. So yeah, so we first create a new file. I'm going to name mine kitchen knife tutorial. You can name yours whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. Okay, so first of all, what we do is we want to create the blade and the handle. So create a rectangle, and the size is really just up to you. Yeah. Then you duplicate this. So the first part is for the blade and the second part is for the handle, like that, like so. Sorry. Okay, let's like that. So yeah, so now that we have this, let's go ahead and create the edge of the blade. Go for the selection, direct selection tool, click that, and just pull right down like that. There, like that, just like that. So duplicate this again, duplicate it again, bring it right here like so, and select everything, go to the pathfinder, and then subtract. So now we have the sharp edge. So what we do now is we select the handle and the blade, move it up a bit, then rotate it like so, just like that. Yeah, let's reduce this handle a bit, like so. Yeah, okay, so now go for the rectangle too, like that should be okay. Come so, duplicate this guy like that, duplicate another one like that. Let's stretch this one a bit, take this guy back a bit, like that. Then we select everything here, choose the shape builder tool, join these guys, join these guys, hold on the option, take these guys out. There you go. We do a similar thing for the handle. So first of all, let's just round it up a bit, like so. Yeah. Sorry. Let's first come here, direct selection tool, select these two, round them up a bit, like that. Yeah. Okay. Now we do a similar thing we did for the blade to the handle. So like so, just a bit smaller. Zoom in like that. Right there. Let's reduce it a bit. No, bit. Right. Let's reduce it a bit. Like so. Pull that in. Duplicate. Bring that down. Yeah. Duplicate. Bring that down. Let's bring this dude. Just like that, like that, that, put it down like that. We select everything here. Do the same thing. Join these guys. Join these guys. Take these guys out like that. And there we go. So now we can add the edge of the blade. Just keep that. Get in here. Like that. Just like that. Oh, sorry. Still not. Bring this to the phone. Like that. And we can just make sure it aligns perfectly like it should. Like it should. So we can move it back a bit like that. Move it back like so. There we go. So now we have the edge right there. So now what we do next, let's get those lips tuned. Cancel. Shift Option. There. Just keep this guy here. Duplicate. Reduce it. Zoom in. Put this guy right here. Here. Just like that. Yeah. So now what we do is we want to add the colors, right? So for this guy, let's come right here. Select. You can use whatever colors you want. I'm just gonna go for this guy. Yeah. For this guy. Right, and for this guy, I'm going to go for an orangey color. So like so, should be fine. Okay, so there. So now let's create the darker parts. Right. Create the darker parts. It's quite simple. Use the pen tool, create a line from here straight down. Straight down like so. And escape that. Alright. So then we select everything. Go for the shape builder tool. Take these guys out. These guys out. These guys out. There. Now we can delete the line we drew. Then we take out the border like that. Then we select, change the color, fill color to be completely dark, and change the opacity to 30, like that. So now we move this guy in here, like that. Perfect. No, not perfect. Let's bring it in a bit, like that. Great. Then this guy, I think we didn't get it perfectly right. So, bit more, that. Yeah, that. There we go. So do the same thing for the handle. like that. Get this down here, all the way down to this guy, like that. Then we select everything, shape builder 2, take this guy out, take this guy out, take this guy out. Then we can just select the line, delete it, select everything, take the borders off, completely dark, reduce the opacity to 30, dark, that. There we go. Then we can just shift, move it, slot it right in. That. Like that. Just like that. There we go. So now what we do next is take this guy, fill it with this guy, and take this guy and fill it with this guy. Then we get the pen tool. Then like that. Escape. Do a similar thing for this guy. Then escape. Like that. So there we go. Select everything, resize it, scale it down. There. So now we just create the shadow, go for the ellipse tool, like so. Take off the border, we just fill it with black. Just like that. Like that. Then we come to the effects, go to stylus, and then feather. Make sure it's on 6. Choose OK. Like that. There you go. Yeah. And we just move this right here. There. Then we come here. Choose the rectangle too. Just create that. Just like so. Move to the back. Change the color to, say, pretty light orangey kind of color. Like that, like that, like that. Yeah, like that. So select these guys, and then we group them. Reduce it a bit. Like that. And then we center everything, like so. Bring it back, like that. So yeah. Now to make it look more popping, we have to go to Photoshop. We first save this. File, export. Yeah, that's PNG. So export. Okay. Done. So we move to Photoshop. File, open. Kitchen knife. There. There we have it. So now what we do is we unlock this guy, choose the solid color, 444, okay. Right click, convert to smart object. Come to the filters, we are going to add a bit of noise for the texture fill. Make sure the amount is 20. You can play with it whatever amount you would like. Make sure monochromatic is checked. Click OK. Give it soft light like that. And there you go. You're done. You toggle this off, you see the difference. So I hope you liked this. If you did, subscribe and let me know if you want more. Thanks a lot, guys.